Good afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today, a 2021 Mazda MX-5 Miata. This is an RF Grand Touring model. This is finished in a deep crystal blue mica. Exterior wise, this car is in perfect shape. There's not a single dent, no scratches, no curb rash. Essentially brand new. This does have the power operated removable Targa roof. Black leather interior. Standard navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. And you have 3-stage heated front seats here. A 6-speed manual transmission. And current mileage is 2150. That's it. So, like I said, almost brand new. You'll see the door panels here are painted in the exterior color. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, feel free to give us a call anytime, 614-793-1050.